you have one chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, and you have one poem, The Wind. Is it clear to all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, Albert Einstein. A Truly Beautiful Mind, Albert Einstein. And then you have to study the poem Wind. So portion is A Truly Beautiful Mind, and Wind. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Huh? You remember the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
You remember
Yes,
the
ma'am.
poem Wind? Wind, don't break the shutters. See what you have done. The poem written by Subramania Bharati, in which the poet conveys the message that if you are not strong, then obstacles will destroy you. But if you are strong, then you come out victorious from those obstacles. Uh, I'll send you the YouTube link if you want to revise it. Okay. Now, today we will deal with story writing. Hello, can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So story writing, have you done story writing in class 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Story writing था class 8 में. So in CBSE you have story writing, and that is of 10 marks. You will get story writing of 10 marks. So story writing you can get either the beginning line, suppose, and you have to complete the story. Like example, we were playing cricket. I hit a huge 6. The ball entered an old house. अब इसके आगे जो है क्या हुआ, ये तुमको कंप्लीट करना है. Do you understand? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
1 or 2 lines in the beginning of the story will be given, and you have to complete the whole story, or maybe the whole outline of the story is given. Outline, you understand?
Word limit of the story.
नहीं, word limit is 200. Word limit story writing जो है वो लंबा जाता है, तो story writing को तुम 200 words में लिखोगे. 200 to 250 is the word limit. So word limit is 200 to 250. Then outline means the whole structure of the story will be given. Outline means the whole story will be given and you have to add things in between. तब एक तरह से जो है स्टोरी का जो तुमको पूरा प्लॉट दिया रहेगा उसको तुमको बस अपना कुछ डिटेल्स ऐड करके कंप्लीट करना है. सपोज लाइक दिस यू कैन गेट कैप सेलर. Have you heard the story of the monkey and the cap seller? Huh? Cap seller returning home, tired. He slept under a tree. Monkey took all his caps. Monkeys took all caps, all his caps, worried, knew that monkeys copy, monkeys imitate. Imitate, you know? You know the meaning of imitate. Hello? Hello?
No, ma'am.
नहीं,
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. मैम
इमिटेट
नकल
मतलब
उतारना
कॉपी करना. मंकीज जो है वो ह्यूमन बींग्स को कॉपी करते हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो monkeys, he knew that monkeys imitate, so he threw his own cap on the ground, threw his own cap. Monkeys also threw their caps. Happy. ये तो यहाँ डैश डैश करके ऐसे जो है वो पूरा स्टोरी का आउटलाइन दिया रहेगा. और you have to, so you understand, either
Yes, ma'am.
the beginning lines will be given, either the beginning lines of the story will be given and you have to complete the story, or the whole plot of the story will be given and you have to complete it. Now, like the outline is just of 4 lines, but you have to make it 200. So you have to add a lot of details to the story. This is just the main things. You can add so many things. Like once there was a poor cap seller. He had a big family. So he used to earn his living by selling by selling caps in the town. The town was very far away from the village. He had to pass a jungle to reach the town. One day, he was returning after selling his caps. When he was passing through the jungle, he felt extremely tired. He saw a big shady banyan tree, or he saw a big shady peepal tree. So he decided to rest under the tree. He put the bundle of caps beside him and he slept under the tree. As he was tired, he fell fast asleep. A group of monkeys were jumping and playing on the trees. When they saw the bundle, they were very curious to know what was there in the bundle. One of the naughty monkeys from the group opened the bundle, and when they saw that the cap seller was wearing a cap, they also decided to wear it. And all the monkeys, they took the caps from the bundle and they put it on their heads. Then they started jumping and enjoying. After some time, the cap seller awoke and he looked here and there. He looked here and there, but he was very surprised to see that the bundle of caps which he had kept there was not there. It had vanished. And he was extremely surprised that who has stolen the bundle of caps in the midst of this dense jungle. He started searching his caps. He searched it here and there. And suddenly when he looked up, he saw that the group of monkeys were wearing his cap, had worn his caps, and they were jumping and playing. He was extremely worried. So then he thought for some time. Then he got an idea. He knew that the monkeys have the habit of copying and imitating the human beings. So he took out the cap from his head and he threw it on the ground. The monkeys also saw this, saw his activity. They also took out the caps from their heads and they threw it on the ground. The cap seller immediately gathered all his caps and tied it in the bundle, and then he moved away quickly from that place. So in this way, so hello, can you hear me, all of you? Hello, hello.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So even if the hint is just of a few words, you have to add a lot of details to your story, and you have to make it long. So do you get it how you have to write the story? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
And while writing stories, there are two or hello. Mute yourselves, all of you. Mute yourselves. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So either you may be given the beginning line and you may be told to complete the story, or the whole outline of the story will be given and you may be told to complete the story. Story writing is of 10 marks, so you cannot just write a few lines and hope to get marks. You have to write a long story. So, and there are if you get the beginning lines, there are a few things that you should remember while writing. You make your story, try to make your story interesting. Try to make your story interesting. You can have a protagonist. Protagonist means, you know what? Protagonist means? Hello? Hello?
No, we don't.
No.
Main character, hero.
Yes, ma'am.
So the protagonist must be a strong character. He must be a strong character. जो स्टोरी का मेन कैरेक्टर है उसमें कुछ एडमिरेबल क्वालिटीज होना चाहिए. He must be a strong character. He should have good admirable qualities. अच्छा क्वालिटी होना चाहिए. He should be able to take sensible decisions, able to take quick sensible decisions. तो अपने स्टोरी में एक मेन कैरेक्टर को डालो जो कि बहुत जिसमें के पास प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड है, जो सही निर्णय ले सके. Then you can also create suspense and drama in the story. जैसे create suspense or drama. Add twist and turns.
What is the meaning?
ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न मीन्स अचानक से कुछ नया चीज हो गया. जैसे कि देखो पहला दिए है ना कि you are playing cricket and you hit a huge six and the ball entered an old house. Now you entered, you along with 2 or 3 friends, you entered that old house, and then you found out that all kind of illegal activities were taking place in the house. You saw that boy was kidnapped and he was kept tied to the chair. So your story becomes interesting. There is some suspense, there is drama, and then how you returned back and then you made a plan with your friends and you informed the police, and the police came and caught those criminals. So you can make your story interesting by adding something very adding some suspense or drama. Like suppose one day you and your friends decided to go for a movie, and you went to watch a movie. You When you entered the theater, you sat down, and suddenly when you looked beside, you saw that your uncle was sitting beside you. So here is the twist. You understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can make your story interesting by adding some suspense and drama, all these things. So these are the points you should remember while writing your story. Add a lot of details to your story, because you have to make it a lengthy story. So you have to add a lot of details to the story. Is it clear? Story writing? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the writing section, you have two things. Already we discussed. In the writing section, you have 20 marks. 10 marks, descriptive passages. Descriptive passages, you know, we already discussed. Descriptive passages. What are descriptive passages? We discussed in our earlier class descriptive passages. What is it? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Paragraph.
Describing people, place, and things. I told you how to describe people, how you have to say what their complexion is, their complexion, their eyes, their ears, then how they look, physical build, tall, short, thin, then the characters, what kind of a person he or she is, qualification. Hello, can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Yes, ma'am.
डिस्कस किए थे ना क्लास
Yes,
में,
ma'am.
people,
Yes, ma'am.
places, things और events को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करना है.
The one point.
Annual day
Involved.
function, sports day, any event takes place, how to describe it, who inaugurated the function, what were the events that took place in the function, and who was the chief guest, what activities took place, and how you enjoyed, your opinion about it. So we already discussed. So 10 marks is descriptive passages and 10 marks story writing. Is it clear now? Writing में यही दो चीज है. Okay. So now we will do some grammar exercises. You bring your copy and pen, whatever it is. Hello. You-
Hello.
Okay. Now we will do some grammar exercises. So here, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
visible on your screen. Exercise 1. दिख रहा है? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Exercise 1 है, complete the passage given below by choosing the correct alternatives from the ones that follow. So you have the choice और उसमें से choose करके लिखना है. As a small boy, I used to play cricket with my mother. She used to bowl or at over 2. What is the correct answer? बोलो
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होगा, बोलो ना, यस मैम। हेलो
मम्मी अपना
हेलो,
मैम टू
यस
होगा टू।
2 होगा। She used to told to me. As a small boy, I used to play cricket with my mother. She used to bowl to me in a small room in our house. There was few little, hardly any.
Little.
Little.
Little. Little.
मैम लिटिल
There was
बिग स्पेस
big space तो नहीं
Little.
होगा. Little.
Little.
Yes, there was little space. So she would kneel and throw the ball gently to
मी
Me.
मैम मी
me.
लिटिल
Little, little हो चुका है. Once I hit hard and hit her
टू टू
to the nose. Hit her to the nose. लग रहा है सही. Hit
मैम
her to
ऑन
the, हाँ?
ऑन
On.
Hit her on the nose.
राजू भी इसको खा चुका है।
Okay.
एक चप्पल है, हाफ खाए, मैंने खुद हाफ खाया।
Mute yourselves, all of you. इसका mic unmute है. So as a small boy, I used to play cricket with my mother. She used to bowl to me. There was little space, so she would kneel and throw the ball gently to me. Once I hit hard and hit her on the nose. It started bleeding and I was frightened. Then exercise 2. Rearrange the following words or phrases to form meaningful sentences. So you have your copy and pencil beside you. Chalo rearrange karo. Railway station, my parents one evening along with to the I went. Hello. Are you doing, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो
हाँ बोलो, अनुज बन गया तुमसे?
नो मैम
Yes,
फोन आ
ma'am.
गया दोबारा बोल रहा
मैम
हाँ
मैम
बोलो,
हो गया
किससे बना?
वन मैम किशन
Yes, very good, Kishan. Okay, tell the answer.
one evening I went along with my parents to the railway station.
Okay, yes, your answer is correct. One evening, I went along with my parents to the railway station. What about others? With my parents to the railway station. One evening, I went along with my parents to the railway. Sorry, railways नहीं, railways लिखा गया, railway station. Okay, then second one.
मैम ये नहीं हो सकता
क्या और क्या
Ma'am?
बोलो? हाँ
मैम ये नहीं हो सकता I went along with my parents to the railway station
one
one
evening.
evening.
हाँ ये भी हो सकता. One evening को beginning में डालो या last में डालो. It is all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
बीच का
ma'am, ये नहीं हो सकता.
हाँ.
One evening, I went to the railway station along with my parents.
One
वही
evening
तो
I
लिखा है
went to the railway station along with my parents. ये this also you can have. ये भी हो सकता है. चलो लिख दे. One evening I went to the railway station So you can have one evening at the beginning or at the end, and you can also have along with को भी थोड़ा इधर उधर. I went to the railway station along with my parents. One evening I went to the railway station along with my parents. Then second one, crowd at counter.
There was a huge, ma'am. There was a huge
There
crowd
was a
at the
huge
ticket
crowd
counter.
at the ticket
There was a
counter.
huge crowd at the ticket counter.
Crowded at the counter.
There
There
was
A huge
huge
crowd
crowd
at
at the
at
ticket.
the
the
counter.
ticket counter.
Ticket counter. At the ticket counter. Yes,
Counter.
correct. There was a huge crowd at the ticket counter. And third one, their voices wala bana.
Ma'am,
Hawkers were
hawkers
shouting
were shouting
at
at
the
the
top
top
of
of
their
their
The
voices.
hawkers were shouting at the top of their voices.
Okay, yes, correct. The hawkers were shouting. The hawkers were shouting at the top of their voices. The hawkers were shouting. The hawkers were shouting at the top of their voices. Fourth one.
ma'am.
The train arrived and the passengers started running
train,
from one compartment to another.
Huh?
yeah, ma'am.
When the
When the train arrived,
the passenger started compartment one from another.
Okay. Akriti, you answered.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
train
Yes.
arrived.
The train.
When the train arrived and the passengers started running from one compartment to another.
Okay, very good. The train arrived and the passengers started running. The train arrived and the passengers started running.
From one compartment.
One compartment from
One other.
one compartment to the other. Yes. So in CBSE, you get these kind of exercises. You get jumbled words, one compartment, you get fill in the blanks to the one compartment to another, na, to ye cut to another. कोई word तो छूटा नहीं है? No word is left out.
No,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The train arrived and the passengers started running from one compartment to another. Okay. So then in this is a paragraph, and in every line there is one mistake. Have you done these kind of exercises earlier?
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Error correction. See, in CBSE you don't get any exercises from any separate topic.
Book.
You get applied grammar, means you have studied grammar and you have to apply your knowledge in solving these questions. So in this this is a passage, and in every line there is one mistake. You have to write the wrong word and you have to also write the correct word. Which is the wrong word and what correct word should replace that wrong word. Do you understand what you have to do? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the first line, which is the wrong word? During a summer
Ma'am.
holidays. during a
8.
summer holidays. So, and when you are doing these kind of exercises, you have to read the whole paragraph as a whole. अलग अलग आप sentence पढ़ेंगे तो नहीं आएगा. उसको एक whole शुरू का sentence, बाद का sentence वो पूरा पढ़ना होगा. Then you will understand what is the context. So during a summer holidays, what is the mistake? What is the mistake in the first line?
कुछ नहीं है मैम.
कुछ नहीं, नहीं होना तो है.
एक ही जगह द
मूल लिखना
What is the correct word? A is the incorrect word and the is the correct word. During the summer holidays, I accompanied my friend from his village. Which is the wrong word?
मैम
मैम
फ्रॉम का
टू
टू होगा.
टू
मैम
मैम
फ्रॉम
फ्रॉम
का
का
टू
टू हो
होगा.
जाएगा.
Accompanied के साथ to लगता है. Accompany means what? किसी के साथ जाना. Accompany means to go along with someone. I accompanied my mother to the market means what? You went to the market with your mother. And with I accompanied my friend to his village. It was a small place consisting of about 200 houses. The villagers are simple people.
वर
मैम आर की जगह वो
मैम वर होगा.
Because the
Ma'am,
passage is in the
आर की
past
जगह
tense.
वन मैम.
Because the
Past.
passage is in the past tense, you have to
Ma'am,
maintain the tense. Were. The villagers were simple people and very hospitable. Hospitable, you know the meaning? What is the meaning of hospitable?
या मैम.
What?
yes ma'am
Tell me. Hindi meaning ही बताओ. If you don't know the English.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम मेहमान नवाजी.
Yes, very good. Mehman Nawazi. Hospitable means the quality of entertaining guests, looking after your guests nicely. That is hospitable. Huh? To take care of the guests. That is hospitable. The natural scenery or fresh air were very soothing.
मैम
मैम
एंड
और
होगा.
ऑफ होगा.
और की जगह
एंड होगा.
मैम
मैम एंड
होगा मैम. और
और है
और
wrong
होगा.
word, सही word क्या है?
एंड
एंड है मैम एंड.
The natural scenery and fresh air were very soothing. I stayed here for 3 days.
मैम देयर होगा.
देयर
देयर
मैम और की जगह देयर होगा.
देयर होगा
I
मैम.
stayed there for 3 days. So tomorrow, you read the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind, and I will ask question answers from that. It will be a kind of revision.
okay ma'am
So all of you be prepared. Whoever answers, the name is flashed on the screen. और कुछ ही लोग active रहते हैं. The rest of you don't answer. I want everyone to respond. So
okay ma'am
tomorrow, you prepare that chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, Albert Einstein chapter. And I will ask one word questions and also one sentence. And even
Okay, ma'am.
next question, and you have to answer it. And that is your homework.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes.
have a nice day ma'am
Good night, ma'am.
Yes, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.
Good night, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
हेलो
बोलो।
कुछ नहीं थोड़ा अचानक से मीटिंग शांत कर सकते
सॉन्ग बजाओ अनु, सॉन्ग बजाओ।
थैंक यू बजा
Class is over or not?
सॉन्ग बजाओ ना मैम, अब क्लास ओवर हो चुका है ना।
अरे लेकिन अभी हम सॉन्ग क्यों बजाएं, तुम बजा लो, तुमको इतना सुनना है तो।
बजा रहे हैं।
अरे तुम बजा क्यों रहे, मत बजाओ, कंप्लेन हो गया तो क्लास में सॉन्ग बजाता है।
मैम रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही है इसलिए तो बजा रहे हैं, इसलिए तो बजा रहे थे।
हम ऐसे भी नहीं बजाने वाले।
Ma'am, class is over or not?
कौन सा
भाई ओवर हो गया है, ओवर हो गया।
मैम, आप कुछ बात कर रही हैं जो भी हो।